In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a video to OneDrive in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to back up your videos, share them with friends, or access them across multiple devices, OneDrive offers a straightforward solution. So let's dive right into the process and get your videos uploaded in no time. First off, you're going to want to navigate to the Microsoft website. This is your gateway to accessing all things Microsoft, including OneDrive. Once you're on the Microsoft homepage, you'll see a variety of options, but what we're interested in today is getting you signed into your account. Look for the sign in button, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. This action will take you to the sign in page where you'll begin the process of accessing your account. Signing in is straightforward. Start by entering your email address into the field provided. Your email address is your key to all Microsoft services, so make sure you enter the one associated with your OneDrive account. Once you've entered your email, proceed by clicking on Next. This will prompt you to the next step, which involves entering your password. Password security is crucial, so hopefully you've picked something both secure and memorable. Type your password into the field. Remember, the characters will be hidden for security reasons, so type carefully. If you've entered everything correctly, you can go ahead and click on Next again. Here's where it gets a bit more interactive. Microsoft prioritizes your account's security, so you might be prompted to stay signed in. If you're using a personal device and you want to save time in the future, clicking yes might be a good option. However, if you're on a public or shared computer, it might be safer to skip this step. After securing your login, it's time to navigate to OneDrive. You can do this by clicking on All Microsoft, which opens up a drop-down menu showcasing all of Microsoft's services. Find OneDrive in the list and select it. For our purpose today, if you're not already signed in to OneDrive, you'll want to do so now. Look for the Sign In button specific to OneDrive and click on it. Upon successfully signing into OneDrive, you'll be brought to the home page. This is where all your stored files and documents live. But since we're focusing on uploading a video today, you'll want to look for the Add New option. This button initiates the process of adding new files to your OneDrive storage. Upon clicking Add New, you'll be presented with a few options. For uploading videos, you'll select Files Upload. This will open up your computer's file explorer, allowing you to browse for the video file you wish to upload. Navigate through your folders and select your desired video, then click Open to start the upload process. And just like that, your video file will begin uploading to your OneDrive account. You can monitor the progress directly on the screen. Once the upload is complete, your video will be safely stored on OneDrive, accessible anytime from any device where you can log into your account. A few additional tips to ensure a smooth experience. Make sure your internet connection is stable during the upload process to prevent any interruptions. Also, be aware of your OneDrive storage limit. High resolution videos can be quite large, and if you're approaching your storage cap, it might be time to consider cleaning up old files, or possibly upgrading your storage plan. Today, you've learned how to securely save a video to OneDrive in a few simple steps. This knowledge not only allows you to back up important memories and moments, but also ensures that you can access and share your videos no matter where you are, as long as you have internet access. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful guides.